airport, altitude gauge 1,500, J type aircraft.
Position checks, type of aircraft, PA-32R for 562 Tango Charlie.
Tango Charlie, roger. Please resume on that. And frequency change, please.
Say again for 562 Tango Charlie.
Tango Charlie, the tower over there is closed, so it's just a normal satellite airport now. Just don't touch the runway and remain clear of the restricted areas.
All right, frequency change approved. We'll remain clear of the restricted area. We won't touch the runway for 562 Tango Charlie.
We're doing it.
What?
We're doing it.
What are we doing?
We're getting close to the...
Number 2 Tango Charlie, switch my frequency 134.905.
34.905 for 562 Tango Charlie.
3 Foxtrot, 4 miles from final approach 6, maintain 2,000 until established, cleared RNAV 27 right approach.
Oh my God. Don't F it up.
Orlando 562 Tango Charlie back with you.
I just gave it clearance and then somebody talked. 2 Tango Charlie, you on?
2 Tango Charlie's back with you.
2 Tango Charlie, thank you. And what are you going to do after TTS?
Low approach TTS and then north to Golf Sierra Oscar, 562 Tango Charlie.
Number 2 Tango Charlie, roger. Frequency change approved and call me clear.
Frequency change approved. We'll call you when clear, 562 Tango Charlie.
Whoa! Oh my God!
28.55.
Is the GoPro on?
Yes. NASA traffic 562 Tango Charlie is in a left downwind for 33 NASA traffic.
Don't hit a launch pad tower.
I won't.
Oh my God, I can't believe this.
We got so bumpy.
It's okay.
Class Delta in 6.9 miles.
Don't worry, we're turning.
NASA traffic, November 562 Tango Charlie turning a left base for 33 NASA.
Oh my God, you're saying NASA traffic.
Hit a launch pad tower.
Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the runway. Okay. Augie's gonna get a really good shot of that building.
Shot of the vehicle assembly building. Y'all.
I turn this thing.
Well, we're within. We're still good. We're within the
Okay.
bounds of the restricted.
Watch those birds.
I'm
to the
looking
left.
at them. Yeah, there's a lot of birds.
I was gonna say something.
Wow, look at that.
You can say whatever you want to, boo.
What?
500.
That's what the best.
NASA traffic, November 562 Tango Charlie turning final 33 NASA.
Oh, that's a skyscraper. That's what the tallest tower
There's
ever.
a weather balloon. Just launched. See it?
I don't see it. What was it below?
At about
Traffic
Whoa.
not available.
11 o'clock.
That's where they build the shuttles, Augie. Oh my gosh.
Space shuttle landing strip. Here we are.
Don't touch it.
We can get down to 100 feet.
Whoa, we're landing a space shuttle.
There is fuel there. Look at that.
Look at the launch pad over there.
What?
What?
All right, we're 200 feet.
Whoa.
Where are we landing?
We're not landing. We're just pretending we're in a space shuttle right now. And looking out for birds in the bird sanctuary.
Dada? Daddy?
Hold on, Daddy's working. Look out for
There's
birds.
NASA Tower.
To do some evasive maneuvers around these birds.
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Amazing. I hope that GoPro got this.
I do too. All right, we're going to climb on out.
All right.
Get above that weather balloon.
What weather balloon?
Daddy says there's a weather balloon under us.
NASA traffic, November 562 Tango Charlie, departing the pattern to the north, NASA.
NASA. NASA.
Where's the weather balloon? Where's the weather balloon?
Boo boo, I don't see it. It's probably soaring up into the sky now.
Well, it's still ahead of us. I'm going to come left a little bit so that we are not
Very
in
clear
the
of it.
path of the weather balloon.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we don't even want to push air onto that thing.
All right, autopilot's on.
I want to see it.
Holy crap, Thomas. You did it. You did it.
That's wild.
I don't know. That might be up there with watching a space shuttle launch, guys.
And the space shuttle burns